to my channel. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. Before I even jump into anything at all, I have to say thank you guys so much for reaching 1 million views. I'm gonna put a little clip in of what happened when I told Aramis on the phone that we hit 1 million views.
What's going on? What's going on?
I got 1 million views. They sent me the email.
Hold up. A minute.
I literally just put on Facebook. So yes, as you can see, we are and were very excited. So yeah, just thank you guys for all the support and watching and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully, if you're not already, you will go ahead and click the subscription button and click the bell so you know when I post. Without further ado, let's get into some bags. Okay, so as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing an unboxing today of a Brandon Blackwood bag, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of like background and things like that. So I'll be honest, I've been looking at Brandon Blackwood bags like most people for a while now. I'm becoming a little bit of a bag lady. But this past week, I went to buy a bag during the Telfar drop. Now, y'all know, Beyonce wore a Telfar bag last week, so I already knew it was going to be crazy, but I've never had an issue getting the Telfar bag that I want. I've gotten a couple now. I usually just go in there right at the drop time, Apple Pay, use my face, boom, doom, done in less than a minute. When I tell y'all that I tried to buy this Telfar bag at 10 a.m. in 2 seconds, literally, I screenshot it, and it said sold out. Even the large, and if you be buying Telfar, you know the larges do not sell out that fast. So needless to say, the box done got to Telfar, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna still treat myself because I hit 1 million views and I want a bag. I was like, so let me head on over to Brandon Blackwood for the girls, get over there and turn that out like they did this Telfar. So I went on over to the app. I went over to the website and I checked out some bags, ordered one. First things first, very impressed with the shipping. But let me give you a little bit about backstory. So like Telfar and some other companies, Brandon Blackwood is a Black-owned handbag kind of luxury line. I think he's Jamaican and Chinese descent from New York. So Black-owned, American-owned handbag line. He's most known, or I feel like he got a lot of his popularity when he was making the ESR totes, the in systematic racism totes. So, I'm sorry, in systemic racism totes. So I'll put a little picture here. Those are really popular, but he has a kind of this iconic shape, and he has the trunk bags and just a lot of different really cute styles. Now he's starting to branch out into like waist bags and shoulder bags, like the nylon shoulder bags and stuff like that. His bags are, for the most part, really affordably priced to be considered a luxury line as far as like quality and things like that. So I think I saw the entry price was, well, they have wallets and things like that, but the general entry price for the bag was about $150. There's some like 170s and 250s, and then he does have some, I believe, with crocodile skin that are like in the thousands, but for the most part you're in your like lower hundreds, which for a quality handbag is really good. So got mine today. So we're literally, I had no idea what's in this box. We're literally going to unbox it today so we can see what it's giving. You know, I did a Telfar unboxing. We see how that went, what I thought about that. So I'm excited to see what this is giving today. Oh, okay. So I will say, so I ordered the bag on literally, I think I ordered it on Tuesday. Today is Friday and it's already here. So I ordered it about maybe 10 o'clock at night, or maybe like 8 o'clock at night. By 3, I got like a notification about it being like prepped for shipping. Within less than 24 hours, it said it was shipping, and then it arrived today. So within the same week, which is very impressive. I think that's gotten provenly better for them, because I had heard before when they were doing the drops that shipping was taking a while because they do a lot of pre-orders and stuff like that. But to get into the box, so I got the Quay, I looked up how to say it, the Quay bag with the Dalmatian pony hair. So here is, let me bring you in, you know, white gets blown out. So here's the packaging. So cute white box. You know how I feel about packaging. I feel like packaging is so important, especially if you're trying to put yourself as a luxury brand. Give me the experience. Like, I want to do that whole kind of thing. If you like unboxings, make sure you check out Black Girl Unboxing on Instagram, because they definitely give the vibes. Oh, okay. I like this. Oh, I hate that it's all white because you can't, it's blowing it out. Hold on. There we go. So you have the white duster bag. You have a little card in here. So it says Brandon Blackwood. Let's see. Oh, this is a nice little luxury touch. So thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece, and I can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO, Brandon Blackwood. Let this light adjust. There we go. Super cute. Okay, y'all, I just love packaging because even the inside is logoed. I just love packaging because it's the little things that count. So I will absolutely be keeping my bag in this box because they gave it to you for a reason. So then you have standard duster with the logo on it as well. Let's see. They just paid attention to every detail. Even the tissue paper has the logo on it. Listen, they got me already. Oh, this bag was $170. They have afterpay. So you can break it up into 4 payments of like $47 or something like that. Even if I have it, I still be like to do afterpay or quad or Klarna. Yeah, even the little stickers for here are logoed. I mean, it's the marketing for me. I am going to rip the tissue paper because I want to see the bag. Okay. So again, okay. So this is the Quay bag. So this is kind of an iconic shape for him now. Let me just pull some little hardware off. So I do like that everything has like little protective packaging. So none of my hardware should be like scratched or anything like that. So get close up on the detail. So this is a pony hair bag. So you see it has a little zip detail here in this kind of faux Dalmatian print. I love that this has the legs on the bottom. So these are also covered in rubber. This is good. These are also covered in rubber so that when you have your bag, you're not sitting your bag directly on the ground. You're not sitting your bag directly on the table. So love that. I was going to read the details off the site, which I still will, but I just feel like it's just obvious that they paid attention to a lot of the details already. And I wanted to do the unboxing because I wanted to see, like, you know, that's not cheap for most of us. You know what I mean? Like, almost $200 isn't something you just throw away. So you want to make sure you're getting, if you're like, I want to invest in a bag, you want to get a quality bag. So sorry, I'm just taking, they took so much time covering everything. So it just has some black trimming leather on the bag. This does zip. This is the actual zipper on the front, but it's not really functional because it doesn't go to anything. So I do like that they have this closure piece on the top, so no matter what, nobody can see inside of your bag. So that covers the top of the bag. Little inflatable so it doesn't lose shape in shipping. Let me see if I can actually get this out though. Probably gonna keep this too. I'll be keeping my bags. I want to keep the bag exactly how you want me to keep it. And it even has a little strap. I honestly didn't. Okay, so it has a strap that also has a Dalmatian print. I just think they have a lot of different Quay bags, different patterns, materials. But I just thought this Dalmatian was super cute. A lot of things on the site are sold out, but there are some things that are not and still available. So this one was not sold out and came, like I said, pretty quickly. So it's pretty long strap in case I decide I want to make it a cross-body bag. And then on the inside, it is just standard black suede. I don't see any. Okay, there is one little pouch pocket, so if you want to put maybe your cards there, you can separate that, but it is just one pocket. But honestly, for a purse this size, just to give reference of my hand, for a purse this size, I wasn't expecting it to have like a ton of storage. I will say this is not like a mini, so this isn't like a mini bag. This is pretty decent size. Like I can fit, let's see, when I have mini bags, if I can't fit my phone in it, that's what I consider a mini. And this is a 12. Okay, so I can fit my phone in it. So it's pretty standard to me. Let me take a look and see if there's anything I'm missing. I feel like they just did such a great job at packaging. This is not sponsored or anything. I'm actually just this impressed. So yeah, mini bag. Well, it says mini shoulder bag. Buckle clasp, detachable crossbody. So it says the spot clean. I was wondering how you take care of pony hair. Should I Scotch guard or something? But it has some little instructions on there. This is real leather. Micro suede inside. Yeah. I just want to mention too that it mentioned some things about pre-ordering on the site, but because it was after the date, I wasn't sure how that would go. But so if it says pre-order it's after the date, it's probably just in stock and going to come to you. So I want to keep this short and simple, just to kind of see for myself what this was giving and to show you guys also. For me, if you're thinking about, especially if you're looking for a black owned line and you're thinking about a bag to invest in, I am very impressed. I'll be very honest. I'm very impressed. and I will absolutely be buying again because this has structure. A lot of bags don't have the structure. This has structure. This has a pocket. I can tell this is quality. The packaging, the attention to detail, the attention and care to making sure the bag comes properly, the shipping time. For me, they haven't missed any marks. They have Afterpay. I can't see any cons so far. I am super excited to wear this out, and I'm just very impressed. So kudos, Brandon. This is, I see why the kids are raving about you, and I see why once my friends get one. Did y'all hear that thunder? Let me finish filming before the power goes off. I can see why when the kids get one, they get like more, because I see people just start collecting these. So that is my unboxing on the Brandon Blackwood Quay Dalmatian pony hair bag. If you have any questions about the bag, like any dimensions or anything like that, it's probably on the site, which I will link below in the description box. But you guys always know, as always, comment any questions or anything like that. If you like this video, I want to see more videos like this, give this a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.